This is Michael Finicaro back at the Share PLM conference. I'm now with Ramón Lorca,
Hi.
Siemens Energy. Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
Ramón.
you.
You did a talk this morning and you were talking about PLM, but we've seen all these presentations. What was your favorite presentation so far?
Yes, I like the presentation of the last girl. I'll talk about
Linda?
that is talk something similar about my presentation, and
Yeah.
I feel very similar things that we need to achieve. No, both of them, I guess. At the end, many of the presentations that we have here have the same problem with the people, with the massive communication to the final user, and at the end we need to focus in what we like to achieve, basically focus in the process and forget about the different tools that we have, basically.
And you made an allusion to the marathon. I ran 2 marathons. I know how hard they are.
Yes. Also, I have one manager in the past that they say every project is like a marathon, no? You have to go step by step, and you cannot achieve the end of the process from the first kilometer, no? You need to go to convince and repeat every key user and stakeholder in
Kind of
the
like
process.
shampoo, rinse and repeat.
Yeah, exactly.
So how long has your journey been doing this PLM, the project you're talking about?
Yes, we started 2 years ago, more or less. Then we have
Okay.
stopped it due to budget restriction. We come back last year, and the idea will be to finalize our phase 1 at the end of next year, more or less. So then we will focus in another place. But this is our goal, to finalize on sometime in summer next year.
Wow, that's a really ambitious goal.
Yes, we'll see. Always as a project, we have the rigs and so on. So maybe we will have some delay, but the important, I guess, is to communicate the business
Absolutely.
if we delay or not, and they have informed about the progress and these risks and how we are going to mitigate that.
So what are you hoping to get out of the Share PLM conference? So far, I mean, what's your goal walking out?
Yes, I met this girl last year in a conference, and also at the beginning of this year, as I mentioned in my conference, I have problem with my business PM.
Right.
So I engaged them, and they are now working in our project. 2 of these girls are working in our project, and since that moment, also I feel from the business, global process leader and the mandate, that they are more comfortable with the way that we communicate the things. Now they seem more informed about the topics, even if we have some problem with the tool, no? But at the end, that they would like to have is this information, no? That how is going the project, what is we are going to engage the user, and so on. So I am so happy with this girl and the way that they are doing, no? Because usually in PLM we are always thinking like an industrial tools, but we
Technology.
forget. Yes. We forget also sometimes it's the user experience and this OCM part of the project that is actually important. Right.
Putting the P in PLM for people instead
Yeah.
of product sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. It's more, we need to focus more in people than in the product instead.
Thank you, Ron.